Man, I've never seen that one before. Let's check it out. Ooh, man, that was so good. Let's see. Dang. Fried top chicken. Now that was like called crispy chicken. Let's see the fries. And yes, and by the way, my sister works there. And she and her co-workers introduced me. She introduced me. This is my big brother, Jonathan Ramos. And the co-worker says to meet me. They are so nice to me. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy your video. So peace out.